In 1899, a man sat alone in a laboratory in Colorado Springs. Around him, machines hummed with enough electricity to power a small city. But Nikola Tesla wasn't thinking about voltage. He was designing, inside his mind. No paper, no blueprints, no prototypes. He was building a complete electrical system, in pure imagination. Every wire, every connection, every potential flaw. He would run these mental machines for weeks, test them, refine them, and when he finally built them in the physical world, they worked. First try, every time. His contemporaries called it genius, but Tesla called it something else: training. What most people don't know is that Tesla almost lost his mind. Not metaphorically, literally. In his 20s, he suffered a complete nervous breakdown. Hypersensitivity to sound, to light, crippling exhaustion. His doctors told him he wouldn't survive the year, but Tesla didn't accept that. He became obsessed with one question: how does the brain actually work? And how can I make mine work better? He redesigned his entire life around the answer. He walked 10 miles every day because he discovered that movement sparked his clearest ideas. He visualized constantly, training his mind to hold increasingly complex structures. He eliminated every stimulant, every shortcut, everything that borrowed energy instead of building it. And something happened. His breakdown stopped. His focus sharpened. His capacity for mental work expanded beyond anything his peers could match. Edison worked with teams of dozens, tried thousands of combinations. Tesla worked alone and rarely failed. Not because he was born different, because he had engineered a different mind. Now, here's what's fascinating. 100 years later, neuroscience is finally catching up to what Tesla understood intuitively. The brain isn't fixed, it's buildable. Those neural pathways that create focus, they can be strengthened. That mental fog that clouds your thinking, it has biological causes and biological solutions. The raw materials that neurons need to fire cleanly, communicate clearly, stay protected from daily stress. They're not mysteries anymore. We know what they are. Compounds that support acetylcholine, the neurotransmitter behind memory and learning. Natural elements that promote blood flow to the brain. The same principle behind Tesla's daily walks. Protective factors that shield neurons from oxidative damage. The cellular noise that fragments our thinking. Tesla rebuilt his mind through sheer discipline and intuition. He had no choice. The science didn't exist yet. But you? You're living in an age where that same rebuilding is available. Tesla once said, "The mind is sharper and keener in seclusion and uninterrupted solitude. Originality thrives in seclusion." But he also knew that solitude wasn't enough. The mind needs fuel, the right inputs, the right protection, the right foundation. If you've watched this far, something in Tesla's story resonated with you. Maybe it's the frustration of knowing your brain could do more. Maybe it's the quiet fear that the fog is getting thicker. Maybe it's simply the belief that you weren't built to feel this dull. You weren't. Tesla proved that clarity can be engineered. Modern science has mapped how. The only question left is whether you'll do something about it. The present is theirs. The future is mine. Nikola Tesla link in description.